Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. Then Stock Videos. And add white and black screen 8 times. Now select Format 916. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now adjust the white and black screen according to the beats. Delete the ending. Now tap on the white screen and replace with your photo or video. I will replace with photo. Now check your video. Now you can export your video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.